was 8 o'clock in the morning. I wanted to be there by 8, but it was a rough start for me this morning. 65 degrees, so it's pretty nice. It's supposed to be about 80 today. It is August, what, 12th now? Yep, she's saying yes. And that's just kind of the situation. Clear skies, not very cloudy, not much overcast. Got the little morning haze thing going on. We'll probably get a little top water, and then we're just going to the river. I love rivers. Going out to the lakes and stuff. Yeah, it's bigger fish, but it's a lot longer in between. I don't know, there's something about it that's not as fun as climbing through the rocks and seeing all the wildlife, and I love that. So, yeah, beautiful day, and it's gonna be a busy day. Get to fish this morning. I got a little family reunion to go to, and then probably fish again this afternoon. Haven't told her that yet, though. We'll see how it goes. All of it. Ouch. Oh my god. I could do that once, and then I would break and die. Catching anything? I could show you the good spots. No, I don't want to catch trees. I want to catch fish. Oh, you're fly fishing. Let's see. Sometimes you can get them right from out here. Sometimes. Whoa. When you get that line wet. Yeah, out there is a... Right out in front of us, it does go down pretty good, and I have got stuff from here. This is not the good spot for it, though. Yeah, you're stuck on a rock, honey. Here. Oh yeah, I'm sure we'll see you. So little bobber already got one. First fish of the day. Let's see what she got. Little rock bass. Yeah, look at that. I'll set my pole down. Got a little rock bass over here. Look at that little guy. What do you think? Is it awesome? Get a good release. Oh yeah, little guys for sure. And he's swimming away. I absolutely love it down here. Little guy. Gone. Got a big hit. Let's try that again. we go. Hooked up. Oh, fouled hook though. Doesn't count. Smallmouth. Pretty good one. Yeah, there's a couple of them out here. Okay, so walk that way. Because it's deep right here. Walk that way. A little, yeah, right here could be alright. Yeah, just come right here. Here, I'll hold your hand then. You're not gonna hurt yourself. My director's playing on her phone. See, what I am looking for are these little islands in the middle, and it's deep around the edges. That way when the bait fish are coming down, they're gonna split and go around and be ambushed by something large over here. So that's the theory, and I don't even know if I'm right or if that matters to these type of fish. But let's find out. Ooh, got a bite, so I think I'm right. Just chasing it. First hit. Little green sunfish. Pretty little guy. Pretty fish. Boom. Go. Little itty bitty bass. Little tiny guy. Little guy. Gone.
about 10 o'clock right now, and we're going to keep moving down, and we're going to go by 11, and let's hope we can catch some good fish.
Got one. Oh, another foul hook though. I don't like foul hooks. Oh, it isn't a foul hook. That's a big old rock bass. Well, big for this little area. And that treble, he's barely on. So let's see if I can not beat his brains out on the rocks. Let's come up to my little producer here. Let her get it on film as well. Come up to my little producer here. Let her get it on film as well.
Oh, it's got some nice scales.
Yeah, rock bass are pretty cool.
It's got some red eyes.
Yeah, that's what they're known for, is their red eyes.
That looks like the one I caught.
His mouth is bleeding, but he's okay. He's good to go.
Let's get him back in the water. I don't like to drop them right at the shore because then they have to navigate all these rocks. I like taking them back to where they know they're good. There he goes. Right away. Yeah. What do we got? Smallmouth. Stop spinning. Bam. Little guy, but still, it's awesome. See how bad he got hooked? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Let's get a better look at him. Nice little guy. First cast. Gone. So we're packing up, getting ready to leave, and the biggest fish that I have ever seen down here just busted right out front here. I only have a rooster tail on, which is not good for this, but let's try.
We're done with round one of the day. We have to go home and get ready, get cleaned up to go to a family reunion. I know little Bobber, she loves it when I tell her she loves it, but that's kind of about it. We're getting her there. We're getting her there. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your favorite part?
I don't know.
You caught the first fish.
That was my favorite part.
That was your favorite part? Of course it was. Well, I caught all the other fish, so just saying.
Net? Fishing net? If there's all three of us and we kind of come in on them, I know you're gonna hurt me. No. No. I just want to make sure he doesn't fly. Yeah. You're okay. No, settle down. Yeah. skittish now that I came after him that one. Oh, he stopped.
What he's trying to do is save the seagull. He's got a lure stuck in his mouth. And the seagull's not too quick to react, so we're fearful that he's really tired or hasn't eaten in a while, so trying to see if we can catch him to get the lure out.
Get his attention. That's it. Perfect.
You're okay, buddy. Alright.
Oh, I didn't bring my
It's
glass.
wrapped. Oh, it's a little treble.
Yep. I got it.
Oh, nice.
Got it. Now make sure, wait. Make sure he can open his mouth.
Yep.
Okay. All right, you're good, buddy. He had both hooks in his mouth. Yep. Appreciate that.